going on? Chain pickerel. Chain pickerel. Let me see if I can bring him up. Hey, thank you, sir.
It's my first time out here. I just moved down here.
Oh, okay, okay. So basically what I do, right? So this one's been hooked before, man. There's already a hook inside of him. You see that? Wow. So basically what I use is, this is 30-pound test. I use a Carolina rig, 2-ounce weight on top with the bead, and then a steel leader. So basically it's like it's like a small circle hook. But what I do is I just drop it straight down off the ledge, and then I reel it up probably about a foot up from where that weight is at. Just let it hang. Yeah, I mean, this place is usually dead, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's pretty dead. But
she lived down here before. She said this place was empty for like probably 4 years or something like that.
yeah, dude, that's not a bad fish right there.
Nice catch.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
I've
it.
never seen one of those. That's
Yeah, chain pickerel. Live bluegill.
awesome. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How much?
$50. I'm messing with you, man. You doing all right?
Nice.
You eat these for real?
Nice fish.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up, bro? Dude, you okay?
Yeah, it's definitely broken.
Dang. So I'm gonna set up a rig for you real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
Carolina ring?
It's gonna be a Carolina rig, but I'm gonna attach it to a steel leader. So we got what, size 3 circle hook right here?
That's a
3-aught?
That's a 3-aught offset.
Offset, and this is a steel leader. This should be a 30-pound steel leader. Hey, I appreciate you commenting that video, man.
Yeah, man. My favorite are those comments. It's like, you know, I was broke until I started following John Smith's investment guide. Thank you.
Right?
Yeah.
It's a scam, bro.
Bro, I think you're still broke.
Facts.
They're hitting right here. Middle.
Pull one up, sir.
Got you.
Yo, that's like a record fish right there.
Wicked fish.
Mm-hmm.
What is
Well,
that? That's a bad.
No, it's
That is.
That's not a
Oh, that's a minnow.
I was about to say.
Yo, we gotta use them. We gotta use them. You wanna use them as bait?
No, you. Hey.
For real?
Yeah.
You.
I can't believe you caught a minnow with a hook.
Hi. Yeah. Here, I'll just put it. Oh, you want him straight on the hook? All right.
Appreciate that, for real.
No problem.
Where? Straight ahead?
The bubbles, you see them?
Yeah, it's probably like
It's probably a
turtle. Probably a turtle. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Something's running with it. Oh, it's a bass.
Jim.
It's a bass.
Jim.
What's up?
Bless you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Bless you. Tire himself out.
I'm gonna let him tire himself out. It's the minnows. That's the. Oh, that's a perch. That's a huge perch, bro.
Okay, the phone is out.
Okay, bro. Can you get that net? That is a huge perch, bro. That's the biggest perch I've ever seen, bro. This perch is insanely big, bro.
You want to take him to the dock?
Yeah, let's take him to the dock, bro. Hey, so I just got a perch on. Biggest perch I ever seen in my life. My boy, he's out here with a broken toe. And that's true dedication. That is true dedication.
Okay, so we're going to see how big this fish is. Looks good. Let me see if I can...
Yo, that is a huge perch, bro.
Whoa.
That is a huge perch, bro.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful fish. All right, let's get him to the dock.
Yo.
You bring him over here?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring him over there.
He's tired, dude.
He's tired.
Here. Hey, stop right there, stop right there, stop right there. You're going to run him into the brush. There you go, there you go. There's a nice fish, man.
That's a big perch, bro. Hey, I gotta check the record on that.
Look.
Yo, hold on. Before you,
I got it. It's still going. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, these ones.
that's a perch right there. It's a big perch.
This is a huge perch.
This is a nice perch right here.
I've never seen a perch like that.
I had no idea they get this big, bro. 12 and a half? 12. 12-inch perch.
Nice. All right.
Thank you so much, bro. See you later, dude. There he goes.